What's up, real guy? Real quick, I just wanted you guys to hear this. Listen. That is a church bell. So when they talk about the sound, the voice of a sword, that shing, they talk about. Angus Trim talks about in his tempering process that they hit the blades with sound waves and things like that. Like I didn't think anything of it, but no, you gotta. There is something to the tempering process and hitting the blade with sound waves. That's something you don't hear from many another maker. So beautiful. All right. Peace out, guys.